Lesson 4.2, Ratios and Rates. So I had you skip 4.1, so I put the vocabulary on the top. Ratio is a comparison of two numbers or quantities by division. So a bird rescue group is caring for 3 eagles, 2 hawks, and 5 owls in the rescue center. You can compare the numbers of different types of birds using ratios. There are 3 ways to write the ratio of owls to eagles in the rescue center. So you're either using words, which honestly is just using the word 2. So 5 to 3. So there's 5 owls and 3 eagles. As a fraction, 5/3 or 5/3. Or else write it with a colon, which is one dot over another. And it's just stated as 5 to 3. Ratios can be written to compare a part to a part to a whole, or a whole to a part. So write each ratio using words as a fraction and with a colon. So owls, we have 5 owls to 2 hawks. So that would be how we do the words. The fraction is 5/2, and the colon is 5 to 2 with that colon in between. Eagles to total birds in the rescue center. So we got eagles, we got 3, and the total would be just 5 plus 2 plus 5, or 3 plus 2 plus 5, which is 10. So that's the words, fractions, 3/10, and then colon, 3 to 10. And this one is going with part to whole, whereas the last one was part to part. This third part is total birds to the rescue center, or in the rescue center to hawks. So it would be 10 birds total, and then the hawks are 2. So we got, that's the word version, fraction, 10/2, and then 10 to 2. And this is whole to part, so it's the total number to only part. A restaurant sells veggie burgers at the rate of $4 for 1 burger. What rate gives the cost of 5 veggie burgers? Write the rate for 5 burgers using words as a fraction and with a colon. So a rate is a ratio that compares two quantities that have different units of measurement. A unit rate is a rate that makes a comparison to 1 unit, such as $4 for 1 burger, or $4 over 1 burger. So when you're looking at the fraction for a unit rate, the bottom number will always have a 1. Complete the table to find the rate that gives the cost of 5 veggie burgers. So think 1 veggie burger costs $4, so 2 veggie burgers cost, I'm trying to think of it in terms of addition. So if we're adding 4, and honestly, if you're multiplying 4. So either way, you're ending up with 8. So you just do 3 times 4. You do 4 times 4 and 5 times 4. So the table shows that 5 veggie burgers cost $20. So the rate that gives the cost for 5 veggie burgers is $20 to 5 burgers, $20 over 5 burgers, $20 to 5 burgers. Write the rate in 3 different ways. The rate that gives the cost of 3 veggie burgers. So we would have $12 to 3 burgers, we would have $12 over 3 burgers, or $20 or $12, sorry, to 3 burgers. The rate that gives the cost of 4 veggie burgers is $16 to 4 burgers, $16 over 4 burgers, and $16 to 4 burgers. Okay, and then on a Google form, you will be doing numbers 1 through 6. So number 1, you write the ratio of the number of red bars to blue stars. For 2 through 5, you're writing the ratio in 2 different ways. So it's showing one way and you're showing the other 2. Number 6, Marilyn saves $15 per week. Complete the table to find the rate that gives the amount saved in 4 weeks. Write the rate in 3 different ways. So you're not only giving me the 2 answers to fill in the table, but you're also giving me the rate in 3 different forms. So the word, the fraction, and the colon. Number 13 through 15, you're using this diagram over here, which is in the Google form. For number 13, you're writing the ratio of AB to BC in 3 different ways. So this side right here is AB. This side right here is BC. Number 14, write the ratio of the shortest side length of triangle ABC to the perimeter of the triangle in 3 different ways. So I'm assuming you can figure out which one is the shortest length, but the perimeter, remember, is the distance around an object, so that would be adding up all the sides. So that would be doing a part to a whole. Number 15, write the ratio of the perimeter of the triangle ABC to the longest side length of the triangle in 3 different ways. Again, this is looking at the whole to a part, but in this case, we're looking at the longest side. Number 19, 2 smoothies at Smoothie Haven cost $6. What is the unit rate for the cost per smoothie at Smoothie Haven?